Okay. Complete the statement. BF is congruent to blank. Explain why it's true. Well, my answer is going to be is congruent to EF, segment or side EF. And that is this right here. I'm saying this is congruent to this. Here's why I'm saying this. Because what we have here, first, let's look. We've got reflexive congruence here with this middle segment FD, right? And then what do we have? We have side angle side congruence, side angle side congruence, right? They're reflecting across this line right here. It's like a mirror image, okay? And we know then that vertex B lines up with vertex E, F is with F, D is with D. Kind of like if you folded it on a line right here, it would just land right on top of itself in the corresponding way, okay? So then BF from this edge, this vertex out here to here, is congruent to this E to F right here because of CPCTC, which states that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Meaning, if we can establish that the triangles are congruent triangles, then their corresponding parts, and this side corresponds with this side, will also be congruent. So I know that this is congruent to this, and I can even put triple segment marks on there to show that is congruent to that.